Welcome to this short video where I'm just going to quickly show you how to change the bulbs in your AC unit. Now you can see there are 2 at the top and 4 at the bottom, those white things just there. Now for me, I had 3 of them that are blown, so it's a good time to change them. So the first thing you want to do here is remove a few screws on the front. There are 3 there, 1 in the bottom right corner, 1 in the bottom left corner, and also 1 in the top right corner. Make sure you remove those. Initially I forgot them there and tried to pry it off with the screws in place, which obviously is not going to work. So just use a Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Some of them won't come out all the way, and that's okay. The buttons will stop them, but as long as they're threaded out, that's okay. Okay, so once you've removed those screws, you'll see that there's little slots that you can put a screwdriver in and pry open. Now, I found out later that prying from the other side of this unit is actually better than this side. In fact, I broke a small piece of plastic when I was trying to do this, and I had taken this apart before and found the other side is actually easier to do first. So do start from the other side, and then it's just a matter of going around and trying to be very careful and not breaking any of the plastic. Eventually you will get it where it will break free. It will just take a little bit of time to get there. So now that it's free, it's a matter of just removing the existing bulb. So just get a flat blade screwdriver, put it into the slot at the back of the bulb and just twist anti-clockwise a little bit. Turn the unit around and just push it through with one of your fingers there and it simply falls out. Repeat those steps for the remaining bulbs and they're all easy to come out, which is good. There's a bit of a comparison between old and new, and also there's the part number if you want to grab a new set for yourself. Now in terms of installing them, just put the new one in place, grab your flathead screwdriver, just slightly turn it anti-clockwise to push it in, and then give it a slight turn to the right to lock it in. You'll be able to see here that the bulbs are pushed all the way through and locked into place. It's then just a matter of repeating it for the remaining bulbs. Once you've installed them all in, just make sure you put the unit in the car and test it out just to make sure it works before putting it back together. Next is just to reinstall the plastic cover at the front. You're going to hear a lot of weird plasticky noises, that's okay. Just slowly and evenly push it down until it fits nice and flush again. And finally, just put in your screws as well. Remember, for some of them, the screws remained in that front plastic piece, so just tighten them down. And for this last one here, I found it didn't really fit in with that button there, so you can remove it. I don't know if perhaps mine's a little bit broken and you can remove that button. I don't know if yours will do the same, but just remove that, put the screw in place, and off you go. Now, one last thing I'll say here is that you may not even have to remove the front cover to replace the bulbs. You may just be able to unlock the bulb and then use a pair of tweezers to take them out. But I thought this would be a good video to at least show how to open up the AC unit if you want to do that and what the inside looks like. And plus you can just change the bulbs while you're there. So hopefully this was useful too. Thanks for watching.